Hello friends, I'm Shashi Anant Kumar, your yoga therapist and yoga instructor as well. Today I want to share my yoga journey with you all. How I came to yoga, because 10 years back I was not knowing anything about yoga at all. Even not for pranayam, nothing at all. So then what happens? How and why I am here? I am here because of my pain, because of my suffering. 10 years back, when we planned to move abroad, from my husband's company, we got a guidelines that we have to go for the full medical checkup. That time I was staying in Navi Mumbai. So I went to the Fortis hospital in Mulund. There they did checkup for me and my husband. And वहाँ मुझे मालूम चला कि I have a blockage in my heart. And my husband report was completely fine. But their doctor advised me that I was having two young kids. Both were them were below 4. So doctor advised me at this point we cannot go for any surgery. So it's better you do pranayam. I thought, okay, let me try. And then I came home, and one of my friends, she was staying in my building, she was teaching yoga. So I asked her, okay, come and teach me yoga, pranayam one day, because doctor advised me to do so. She said, yeah, you can do it. She came to my home and she tried to teach me. But one day nobody can teach pranayam and all. She told me at last, okay, just inhale and exhale and that relaxed. So I went Nairobi next month. There I was thinking, okay, who will can teach me, who can guide me. Then I thought, okay, let me do through YouTube. I started doing through YouTube. Whenever I play the video and I try to do so, I was feeling giddiness. कभी चक्कर आता था, कभी black सब कुछ हो जाता था. So then I was feeling, oh, it's not working for me. Then I asked my husband, okay, you practice this one just one day for me and tell me your experience. He said, okay, he tried and he said, no, it's okay for him. So then I got more scared. Okay, it means there is some problem with me. That's why it's not working for me. Then I started searching for the yoga classes or yoga teacher. Then I came across to one lady. She was teaching yoga in SSD temple. So I went to that Didi and I told her my problem. So she said, okay, you come to, we take 1 hour session for yoga in SSD temple, you come and join. I went there, but then I found out ki okay, pranayam is okay because doctor suggested me, but I was not much interested in asana and all because I was doing Zumba. So I thought Zumba is fast and have fun and all, and I'm doing some exercise, sweating, so it's working well for me. So I was thinking like that. So I told her I'll do just pranayam, I'll not do any asana. She said, okay, it's your wish. I started. Within 3 months, I came to know that, oh, I was able to do some pranayam very nicely and I was feeling more energetic. So I was happy with my pranayam and Zumba at all. Then I came India after 6 months again. So when I came India in my Mumbai house, nobody was staying, it was locked. So it was full of dust. So I called one of my house girl to help me and we were working together. So there was a one dining table. It was made by Sakut. It was very heavy. So just I pushed it myself to clean that area. So that time I felt some cramp or something like that in my back. I applied some move when I was working. Within 10 days, we bind up things over there and we came back again to Nairobi. But the moment I realized कि जैसे जैसे time pass हो रहा था, pain was getting worse. So then I realized कि okay, there is some problem. So I asked to Didi, that Didi again who was teaching yoga in SSDC told me you join yoga and do, maybe it will work for you. So then I started doing normal asana and all. And whenever I tried, my pain was getting more worse. So then I told her, no, yoga is not working for me. It's giving me a more pain. It was in my mind like that. And I stopped Zumba also because that was also giving me pain. Then one day pain was that much worse that I couldn't sustain it, and then I went to the doctor in Nairobi only. There is the Aga Khan hospital, there I went. They did all the checkup and all, and then they told me कि okay, there is lots of problem in your back. L3, L4 is uh, problematic, not proper. Even my curves, we have two curves in our back here. Kyphotic and lordosis, that is also not proper. It's getting narrowing and straightening is happening there. Many of your disc is bulged. Your posture is also not correct. So you cannot perform things like the way you were doing before because I was too much eager to do Zumba. I was loving that. Even still, I love that. So then they said, no, it's not possible for now because you have lots of problems. You cannot even bend forward. They asked me not to bend forward even. Take complete rest, and they gave me some muscle relaxer and all, and they were giving some therapy. They said they will give me. Then I asked, okay, what about surgery? They said, yeah, we can do surgery, we can try it, but we cannot promise it, Kia, it's going to work 100% or it's going to make you like the way you were before. So that was the more worst part for me. They said, yeah, only we can guide you, we can help you. So how can manage with it? Because these things are degenerative. We cannot form it again, bones and all. So then I came back home and I was thinking, okay, what to do now? Then again I went to that Didi and told her. So she said, okay, what she was teaching, that was a normal class. So she told me, no, you have some problem. So you have to go to the expert, not like normal classes is going to help. So then I went to William sir and he guided me how to do yoga for proper specific disease or specific things. Then I started learning from him. I got so much impressed that within few months I was able to perform things very nicely, and slowly I started my journey learning from here. Then I did so many courses like yoga therapist, yoga teacher training, body alignment course, and still I am pursuing. I want to do my PhD in yoga. So that's how my this yoga journey started. And you will be surprised to know, still last year I did my MRI. Reports is still same. Still I have a problem in L3, L4. My disc has bulge. My curves is better now. Curves is only getting improved. Otherwise, all the problems is there only because we cannot fix the bones, but muscles around that area or even my entire body is working very well. My body other system is working in a harmony perfectly nicely. So even I was having thyroid, I got diagnosed with thyroid only that duration. Now I am not taking any medicine, nothing I am doing, and my body is perfectly fine. I also feel whole day energetic, fresh. I take many sessions. So yoga really working very nicely for me. And even when I teach yoga someone and they said to me, oh, thank you, because of you I'm getting better, I got relief from this pain, that is my real earning. That time I feel so happy that other things cannot give me. So I decided that till the time in this birth, till the time I'll be alive or I'll be able to teach yoga, I will be in this field only, and I will help people to come out from their problems in a proper way. Because yoga is a nowadays I have seen many yoga teachers and all, they just teach very generally or normal way that not helps for a specific problem. So I'll try to do my best in this field for others, for myself, whoever come across to me, I will try to help them and do something for them if I'll be able to do so. So this is my journey. This is my goal. I hope I'm able to convey my message.